What is epidemiology? Epidemiology is the study of how disease is distributed in population and the factors that influence or determine this distribution. Why does a disease develop in some people and not in others? The premise underlying epidemiology is that disease, illness, and ill health are not randomly distributed in human population. Rather, each of us has a certain characteristics that predispose us to or protect us against a variety of different diseases. These characteristics may be primarily genetic in origin or may be the result of exposure to a certain environmental hazard. Perhaps most often we are dealing with an interaction of genetic and environmental factors in the developing of disease. A broader definition of epidemiology than that given it's define the study of the distribution and determinants of health related states or events in a specified population and the application of this study to control of health problem. This is called epidemiology.